f of x is the integral from 1 to x of 1 minus cosine t squared dt. We want to find f prime of square root of pi. Well, first, in order to find f prime of square root of pi, I need to find the derivative. Now, in order to find the derivative, I have to use the fundamental theorem of calculus. So basically, the fundamental theorem of calculus says, if I take the derivative, I first have to substitute x in for t. Substitute that in, so you get 1 minus cosine x squared. And then multiply this whole thing by the derivative of x. The derivative of x is just 1, so that really doesn't do anything. Minus, now plug in the bottom number, so this is 1, and plug that in for t. And then take the derivative of 1. So think of that as just chain rule. Plug in, take the derivative. So that's what I'm doing at the top. Plug in the top, find the derivative of the top. Minus, plug in the bottom, find the derivative of the bottom. Well, because I'm multiplying by 0, this is going to be 0, so I'm not going to waste my time. And then 1 minus cosine x squared times 1 is just 1 minus cosine x squared. So finally, I can plug in square root of pi in for x. So I have 1 minus cosine of square root of pi squared. Square root of pi squared is just pi. The square root and the square cancel. Cosine of pi is negative 1. So I have 1 minus negative 1, and that's going to be 2. So our final answer is 2.